আমি খান লাই the Capin dormitory আছে
와 기대돼 죽이려고
산대시 아쪽 봐 그만 아니
아, 마사슈가
enjoy কি করলে itu khatam ho gala hai 24/7 so aji 2 days ase ki bulong dormitory or Capin water stock new frog smoke frog these are the gooks some are working some are still taking rest this is second one Capin for Changdo. Let's explore the biggest khel in Salomi, that is Changdo. This is kitchen menu. This is the leader of the Changdo khel. Their menu.
This is the salad. Chalo.
This is main head cook keeper. Smoked frog. Smoked frog. This is the biggest khel. The storeroom. Capin. Some of they have brought den also. Mokal na to start one. I will be tinda khel do already. Gam suru. 24 hours work challenge. Here you will see the main referee of this match. How people are struggling their life. Like, subscribe. Lojina igena ina pilas.
Nakam grete.
Naka munu. Ina pilai. Entertainment part of the elder scale or Kirale. Kibulung khel. Thank you very much. Aishe. Tai laga channel bhi thaki wo. Tulin naga gujina. This is our main river. They too are working harder and harder. See, only be something Hanso come crazy. They are still working. They want to see their work. Mohal lambulat.